Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change the language in the Prime Video app. Whether you want to switch to your preferred language for the menus, this guide will guide you step by step. So let's dive in. Open the Prime Video app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Prime Video app on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the settings option in the form of a gear, and then click on it. By clicking on the settings option, a drop-down menu will open where you will go down to the language option and click on it. The application will open a new page with two options offered, from which we will select the app language option and then click on it. Here, as you can see, the Prime Video app will offer you the language supported by the app itself. All you have to do is choose the one you want and click on it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in the Prime Video app. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.